down, keep moving. Stand up, sit down, keep moving. Stand up, sit down, keep moving. We are at school today. Close your books, keep moving. Open your books, close your books, keep moving. Open your books, close your books, keep moving. We are at school today. Okay, thank you. Sit down, please. The next new lesson is shapes and colors. Okay, repeat. Shapes and colors. Shapes and colors. Look at me. This is triangle. 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 Next, square. Square. What is this shape? Square. Okay, good job. Next, rectangle. Rectangle. What is this shape? Rectangle. Good. This shape is circle. 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 Good. Now pupils look at the screen and repeat again these shapes.
Look and listen. Circle,
Circle.
square,
Square.
triangle,
Triangle.
rectangle.
Rectangle. Good job. Now please repeat individually. Who wants to? Isaiah, stand up. What's this shape?
Is this circle?
Okay, good. This is
Little
now Shanike.
rectangle.
Rectangle. Good job. Now next, Adima. What is this shape?
Is this
Huh? Help to. Now Hanım.
this is square.
Square. Repeat all together.
This is square.
Adima.
This is square.
Good. Next. Sajak. What's this shape?